This is day 5. It's 5:55 in the morning. Rain came in around 4 o'clock. I had a drip or two in the tent, so it's raining here pretty steadily, not hard but steady. Started getting some drips in the tent, so I was ready to get up, and I packed everything in dry bags so that nothing could be hurt. Then put on my paddling suit here and came down to get breakfast. I'll take it up and have breakfast, and we'll just see what happens with this storm. Rain was predicted and high wind, so I don't know whether we'll actually get out of here today, but we'll see. This is part of what happens when you're on a, quote, adventure rather than a vacation. Okay guys, 8:37, day 5, on the water at high tide, in the rain. It's pretty beautiful, but it feels like inside this dry top I'm in a steam bath. So, everybody wave.
I'm going to sing you my favorite disaster.
Yeah, sing your favorite disaster song.
8 days passed and some were rescued, leaving the dead to lie alone. There's no
okay. Ooh, Scott!
Whoa!
I don't know what you got, but they like it.
I got one of his face. Did you really? Oh, there's one right behind you.
Scott, they love you, man.
They like his boat.
Well, they've read the name and they feel it's one of their own.